Hi everyone, this is Trevor. Trevor is a meteorologist. A meteorologist uses science and math to predict the weather and climate in an area. Meteorologists use lots of equipment, from thermometers to measure temperature to anemometers to measure the wind. Today, Trevor is working with a team of meteorologists to record a YouTube video that will teach kids about hurricanes. In the first part of the video, Trevor discusses what a hurricane is. A hurricane is a very strong tropical storm. Hurricanes form over oceans and come onto land and bring very strong winds. They can cause a lot of destruction. Check out this video of the damages from a hurricane in Texas. Trevor then explains that hurricanes usually form over warm waters in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. First, water from the ocean evaporates into the air above the ocean. When a lot of water evaporates, some of it turns back into small droplets that are suspended in the air or atmosphere. The air is warm from the water. The air above the ocean is called a warm and humid air mass. As the warm air mass moves up, it gets cooler and more water droplets form to create huge clouds. Cooler air moves in underneath the warm air that is rising and creates strong winds. This creates a twisting effect like a tornado. When wind speeds reach 74 miles per hour, the storm is classified as a hurricane. Trevor explains that the most obvious sign of a hurricane is the way that it rotates, like a tornado. Check out this video of how a hurricane rotates. Trevor's team member Abby explains that different masses of air can result in different types of weather. When cold air masses slam into warm air masses over land, the warm air mass rises super fast and cools off, kind of like how hurricanes form over water. Abby also explains that air masses may sit over a particular place for a long time without moving, or they may migrate and begin to move to a different location. Movement of cold air mass into a warm air mass is what causes cold fronts, a sudden blast of cold weather after a period of warm weather. In the final part of the video, Trevor's team member Jesse will show kids what to do when a hurricane is predicted by meteorologists. Jesse explains that if the storm is large and dangerous, meteorologists will often advise families to evacuate or leave an area. Homes can lose power and flood during hurricanes. Never walk or drive through floodwater. You can't see the bottom and it could be much deeper than you think. Meteorologists might not call for an evacuation during smaller hurricanes. During these storms, stay inside and away from the windows and other glass. The winds and rain that accompany a hurricane can easily break windows. Stay near the middle of the home, in a closet, or enclosed room without windows, like a bathroom. No matter what, the most important thing is to have a plan and be prepared. The YouTube video ends by explaining to kids that while hurricanes are dangerous and scary storms, meteorologists have advanced technology to predict how big they will be and where they will come onto land. With proper planning, people can stay safe during a hurricane. Trevor's team hopes their YouTube video will teach people more about how hurricanes form and what to do if you're near one. Now it's your turn to go on an adventure and be a meteorologist.